Today,
Ever since I was a jit, and why was a shit.
we're turning Timeless into a drill track.
Ever since I was a jit, and why was a shit.
Standard drill drums for this one. And we gotta add a triplet hi-hat, of course.
Double up, bust down no watch, you know that I'm timeless.
We're taking pluck chords
Ever since I was a G, I've been legit.
and this pad layered in behind. And a respace,
Double O tatted on her body, yeah.
which literally follows the root notes of the chords. We can get as crazy as we want with the slides.
When I'm coming home, fill up the sky.
This sounds fire with the drums. But I want to add more tension.
Sure.
We're taking a super saw for a chords layer.
Feel like skateboard beat, BBC boys on the creep.
And then we can also layer in a choir to fill this out.
Hippie flipping a beat, she wanna fuck with the team.
This is sounding insane. Let's add some strings and brass stabs for impact. But let's not get too crazy with these. These little glitchy textures are great for adding life to the track. Yo, I think this sounds fire alongside the chords. Right, guys, I think our track is done. Let me know what you think of this track in the comments. This has been Timeless, but drill.
Ever since I was a jit, and why was a shit. Shawty keep running, come around, she wanna get hit.
She say she don't make me, cause I keep her by my side. Double up, bust down no watch, you know that I'm timeless. Ever since I was a G, I've been legit. Now, you should let her go, she wanna be